Jack and I bought a bunch of Printify samples so you don't have to. In this video, I'll show you the 7 Printify samples that are ordered from their new arrivals so you can see what the products look like yourself and decide if there's something you want to add to your very own store, and maybe we'll see if Jack approves as well. I saved my favorite one for last, and while it was my favorite one to receive, I think if you sell this product, you might get some bad reviews, and I'll tell you exactly why, so stay tuned. The first product on our list is the new sipper glass. Now, people have been asking where to get these for print on demand for literally years, so I'm so excited that Printify decided to add these. A lot of times you'll see them be called Libby glasses on Etsy, but I've got the sample right here for you so you don't have to wonder what the quality is like. So here it is. I got this cute design from 𝗗𝗜𝗗𝗘𝗧 and it just says books and coffee, but I'm realizing now that you can't really see it super well with the glare from my lights. So let me turn that down just a little bit so you can see it a little bit better, and you can see through it. You can see little coffee beans. You get to make these wraparound designs, and it has a nice wooden lid and a plastic straw with a little stopper to keep it from coming out. I'm having trouble getting the stopper to actually stay in the hole, would be my only kind of bad complaint at this point. You have to kind of push this little plastic stopper down in the spot, and I'm having kind of a tough time putting it in there. I don't know if there's some kind of trick to keep it in there, but that's the only complaint I have. Otherwise, it seems pretty good quality overall. Maybe you could just not use that piece, but then your straw will kind of like jiggle around a little bit more. But overall, seems nice quality glass. The box that it came in was really nice quality and had a lot of bubble wrap around it. So I think that it is not likely to come damaged. It was packaged really, really nicely. As far as how long it took for me to receive it, I ordered it on April 11th and received it on April 23rd. So it took 12 days from the date of order to the date of delivery. All right, Jack, let's see what you think of the Libby glass. Let's get your opinion. Here it is. Want some sniffs? What do you think? Does it get a head boop? Do you approve? What do you think? You don't want to check it out? I think that might be a no. I think this is not Jack approved. Next on our list is the Tough phone case. Now, I've never actually ordered a phone case from Printify before, but this one turned out really nice. So this one here is a matte phone case. And again, I got this from 𝗗𝗜𝗗𝗗𝗘𝗧 just to test for a sample. Looks like Jack might want to give his opinion. Jack, what do you think of the phone case? Are you interested at all in the phone case? Come check out the phone case. Give us your rating. What do you think? Oh, is it gonna get a head boop? Oh, I think he likes it. So this one is Jack approved as well. So I just got this cool pressed flowers paper that I put on here as a design, and I think it turned out really, really nice. The quality looks great, and it is actually a pretty nice protective cover. You can take out the rubber piece that is inside of the plastic case and put this on your phone first. So it does seem like it would actually be a pretty tough case and protect your phone pretty well. So I'm gonna say this one is a win if you do phone cases. As far as how long it took to get it, I ordered this one on April 11th as well and got it on April 20th. So only a 9-day turnaround from date of order to date of delivery, so pretty good there. The next product, I actually got duped a little bit on accident. I was looking in the new arrivals and I saw a new scented soy candle, and so I went ahead and bought it. And just spoiler alert, Mom, if you're watching this, turn it off because this is one of your Mother's Day presents. So if you're watching, please push pause and skip this part. But I realized after buying it that it was a new scent, but it's not a new candle. So the scented soy candles, the 9-ounce by Luminant, just got a few new scents. So fun update for you all that sell candles, but I will show you what the sample looked like still. So here is the candle itself, and I actually just did a picture on it. I don't know if that'll focus, but it actually was pretty good quality as far as the photo went. I think it turned out pretty cute, and we will see what we think of the new scent. So I'll open it up. I got the white sage lavender, and it actually smells amazing. It's a really nice candle, so if you need to make a gift for anybody, now might be the time. Mother's Day is coming up, just a reminder. And this I ordered on April 11th and received it on April 17th, so only 6 days from date of order to date of delivery, so I'd say that's pretty darn good. Do you approve? Oh, I don't think he likes it. Oh, he's licking his mouth. You can't see him right now, but he does not want to smell this candle. So maybe kitties don't like scented candles. I don't know. So that's going to be a no from Jack. And the box that the candle came in was actually really nice as well. So really nice cardboard box, and there was a great space for the candle. So I don't think you'll have any issues with these getting broken either. The next product is actually the one I was most excited to see, and that is actually the Denim Jacket. So this one is a super, super cute product, and I will show you what I did with it here. So it's a really heavy duty jean jacket. It feels really, really nice quality. And the print, you can do a print on the back. So I chose to make a wifey established 2021 jacket. So that's when me and my husband got married. And this I think is a really great niche for this type of design, the wedding niche, engagement niche. And the quality of the print is really, really crisp and really, really nice. You can see some of the jean jacket through it, so make sure that when you're making your mock-ups that it doesn't look super bold on there. Make your design a little bit more transparent, and I think it'll be really realistic to how it's gonna look. And I'll actually give it a try on for you as well. So here is what the jacket actually looks like on. We officially scared Jack away, and you can see it's got a lot of nice quality buttons. It can button here at the sleeves, and then again you can see the design on the back. As far as how long it took to order, I was worried this would actually take a while, but this actually was ordered on April 11th and came on April 18th, so only 7 days between date of order and date of delivery. I'm gonna call that a win. I'd say just 10 out of 10 with this jacket. I think it's so cute. I know there may not be a ton of demand if you look for who's searching for denim jackets online. I think there's a lot of different niches that you could post this in, and there would be some demand for people looking for lots of different products, especially for like graduation or different professions. I think would be the perfect fit for this type of product. Now, sometimes my father-in-law watches my videos just to be so sweet, even though he doesn't do print on demand. So Dad, if you're watching this, this is your warning to pause this and turn the video off if Mom's in the room, because one of her Mother's Day presents is in this video as well. So don't ruin this for me. I'll give you a second. Please go pause it. Again, this is just for my father-in-law. So the next product is the new Arctic fleece blanket. Now this I ordered on the 11th and got on the 19th, so only 8 days. I'd say that's pretty good. And this design turned out super duper cute. I'll hold it up close so you can see it a little bit better. So I got these cute watercolor graphics off of Creative Fabrica and made my own design. So these are birth flowers for all of the kids on this side of the family. And I think the watercolor just came out so good. The colors look amazing. The blanket's really, really soft, and then I'll open it up and show you what it looks like as well. So here is the total design. It says Mom's Garden, and it has a pattern of all of those flower pots all over it, and I just think this turned out so cute, and I hope that she loves it. And if you don't know how to make designs for blankets, it's actually really, really simple if you use Printify's pattern tool. And so coming over here to Printify just to show you what this looks like, you bring in one graphic and put it onto here, and then you actually click this create pattern button, and it's going to give you some options where you can choose what kind of spacing you want for the pattern. You can change the spacing, you can move around where they are and kind of pick what works for you. And so I just built one graphic and then added it and turned it into this pattern. And then you can add a second graphic. So in this case, I added this Mom's Garden graphic over top. And that is how you make this type of design. And don't mind me if I sound a little bit weird in this video. I'm still getting over a cold, and I think I've sneezed about 72 times in the making of this video. And a quick thank you to our sponsor today, Printify, who actually paid for all of these beautiful products that I'm showing you today. So if you really want to see samples of any particular products on Printify's website, then let me know in the comments down below, and maybe I'll do another video with more products if you guys enjoyed this one. So the second to last one is the Comfort Colors 60/30 Pocket Tee. Now these have been super popular on Etsy for years, but usually the best-selling designs that we see are something coming out of the pocket. Now Printify only offers offers having something printed on the pocket, which I've still seen plenty of bestsellers look like that, so I'm still excited to have this product, but I am hoping that more print providers will pick it up and offer different print areas over time, like above the pocket, since I know that is a super popular style. Now there is just one print provider for this product right now, but again, hopefully more print providers like Swift Beauty will pick this up soon. So here is the pocket tee. I got this in the color Bay, which is a really nice light green color. I think it's really flattering and really pretty. And I just got a cute little design to go on the pocket. So I'll zoom in and show you. I'd say overall, I think the design turned out really, really nice. My one complaint is that you can see a little bit of the white that gets printed underneath the black color to give it a more vibrant color. But that happens quite a bit, especially when you have little teeny letters like this. And I'd say that it doesn't really look that noticeable until you look way up close. So I think it still does look super, super nice. And overall, really nice quality shirt. If you haven't tried out comfort colors in general, I definitely would recommend because they are so, so popular on Etsy right now. This one was ordered from 𝗗𝗓𝗏𝗧. It was ordered on April 11th as well and came on April 19th. So just about 8 days from date of order to date of delivery. The last and coolest product out of all of them, in my opinion, is the custom shaped pillow. Now I already gifted this to my sister-in-law for her birthday, so I hope that you love it, but I will put a video on screen that I recorded before I gave it to her so I could show it to you. So it's this super cute custom pillow. You can put any custom picture that you want on here. I think it is a really good option for custom animals or custom people that you can put on these pillows, but the sky really is the limit. I think there is a lot of opportunity to do different types of things with this type of product. I think you could do things for the cottagecore niche. You could do a moth, you could do a frog. I think you could get really, really creative with this and not have it be a custom piece as well. It does have the white border around it, so you do want to make sure that it looks like that in your mock-ups when you're showing it as well, just to be safe. So coming over to Printify to show you what it looks like when you create a design for this. So I just got a picture of my sister-in-law's dog. I deleted the background in Canva, but you can actually delete the background of things here in Printify as well. You can remove backgrounds right on here, which is really convenient. And then I just placed it in the box like this, and it actually worked completely fine. The one thing that I will say is the preview loader for these doesn't always work great. This is actually the first time I've gotten it to be able to show me a preview. And my one complaint is that when you preview the product, I didn't know there was going to be the white kind of gapping around the edges that it showed. And I feel like if you don't show that in your listing photos, if you really just used their mock-ups, then it wouldn't really be a good representation. Now it could be because I didn't go all the way to the edges of the product page, but I think if you're going to sell a product like this, it actually might be worth it to order a sample and take your own photo, just so it's really, really obvious, because this looks like it would be nice and flat, whereas when I was looking at it, you kind of had to turn it and look at the side because it was really, really full, more full than I thought it was going to be. So I did really enjoy this product, but I could see getting some customer complaints on this product because of the pictures maybe not looking exactly like what it actually looks like in person. So again, could be trial and error. I might order more samples of these in the future, but just kind of wanted to show you and give you my thoughts. If you're watching this when I release it in May, then some of these products would actually be a perfect fit for the 31-day Hot Chop Summer Challenge. If you're taking that with me, I'll link the video down below where I announced the challenge. I'm challenging you to do 5 listings a day, and I'm posting a new niche in my YouTube Shorts channel every single day for 31 days to help you kick off your summer sales. And if you're watching this in the future, that video does give you exactly how I'm going to find those niches that you should be designing for every single day. So you can run a challenge like this at any point in the future. But getting 155 in-demand niches that are posted in your store and going to be selling in the next 2 to 3 months is a great way to revive a dead shop or kick off a brand new shop if you haven't gotten any sales. So even if you're watching this in the future, I do encourage you to do some kind of listing challenge with yourself. Really dedicate yourself to spending a whole month learning and listing and researching and learning and listing and researching, and the results just may surprise you. Thank you so much for watching all the way until the end, and if you want to see more product reviews that I've done for Printify, I'll link that playlist up next now. And if Jack's ever not in the video, this is usually where he's hanging out on his cute kitty couch right next to me. Tell everyone hello, Jack. Jack. Hi, kitty.